Albino Rhino, Hungry Fatchick, David Seymour, JunkFoodTasterDotCom, Wendy's Eating Show, JoeysWorld, Powered by Ice Cream, Travel Channel Whitey, GermanFoodReviews, csnacks, clarke, SnackSociety, BigDaddysWorld, Stephen 1889 MRE Info, BiteAndChewFoodReview, Peep This Out Reviews, Casualgamerreed, Dyer, JoeysWorldTour, KBDProductionstV, Family Food Dude, Food Review UK, Old Nerd Reviews, callan, Daym Drops, theendorsement, number 6 with cheese, Wreckless Eating, Denise the Last Snack Chat, Fun Food Reviews and Recipes, Fast Food Pit Stops, Freezerburns, BigDaddysWorld, https://www.youtube.com/BigDaddysWorld, Emrapion 121, EatWithReed, Gar20, Tami Dunn, Trevor James, The Report of the Week, Mark wins, Best Ever Food Review Show.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.